What's up, all you crazy box breaking, card collecting, football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com, coming in at halftime of the Thursday night game, 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. One break for you tonight, 3-box football break. Going to be 32 names, one team per spot. And we'll copy that list, randomize it 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll copy the results and paste it against a list of teams in alphabetical order. Here is the roster for tonight. And we'll start off with a 2012 certified. The 10 packs, 5 cards per pack with 4 hits. And here we go. Good luck, everybody. Kenny Britt, Brandon Lloyd, Levante David, New Generation 23 out of 250. Going to Gordon. Spacer, Cortland Finnegan, and Roddy White. Arian Foster, Jordy Nelson. First hit going to the Eagles, Vinnie Curry, rookie auto. Going to David D, 16 out of 350. Spacer, Doug Baldwin, and Mark Ingram. Ryan Fitzpatrick, Demarius Thomas, Chandler Jones, Spacer, Steve Smith, and Lance Kendricks. Victor Cruz, Brian Hartline, blue mirror parallel for the Colts, Mike Curtis. That one going to James N, 97 out of 100. Spacer, Cam Newton, and Steven Jackson. Jermaine Gresham, Pierre Garcon, Bryant Young, Spacer, Vernon Davis, and Adrian Peterson. Chris Johnson, Matthew Stafford, Von Miller, and a gold parallel, a rookie auto quad patch for the Rams, Isaiah Peed. Rams going to Stephen B. A little fuzzy on there. Nice hit, Stephen. This one numbered 20 out of 25. Darren Sproles and Kellen Winslow. Maurice Jones-Drew, DeQuell Jackson, Willis McGahee to 250, going to ShopRigs Inc., Kellen Winslow, and Matt Forte. DeMarco Ryan, Colt McCoy, Santana Moss, A blue Immortals jersey patch for the Packers, Ray Nishke. Packers going to David H. This one a short print, 8 out of 40. Mike Williams and Christian Ponder. Wes Welker, Darren McFadden, Devon Wiley, Spacer, Devin Hester, and Kellen Winslow. Ed Reed, Aaron Rodgers, Austin Collie. Dual patch, it'll go to that top team. We have David Wilson on the bottom, Doug Martin. Giants going to Ted, number to 137 out of 149. Drew Brees and Tony Gonzalez. And we'll go to the 2013 Chrome next. Richard Sherman, Jarius Byrd, Marquise Goodwin, and Tyler Wilson rookie. Darren McFadden, Tyler Wilson, Mike Lennon, and Niall Davis. Tom Brady, Dwayne Bowe, Arthur Brown, and Aaron Dobson, rookie refractor. 191 out of 260. Patriots going to Eric P. Jason Witten, Justin Blackman, Le'Veon Bell, and Rex Burkhead, pink refractor to 399. Bengals going to Eric. Wes Welker, Dayton Jones, Cornelius Carradine, and Sean Williams. Daryl Rivas, Philip Rivers, Bjorn Werner, and Sheldon Richardson. Champ Billy, Brandon Whedon, Ace Sanders rookie, and a Sam Bradford black refractor, 183 out of 299. Rams going to Stephen B. Jake Locker, Antonio Cromartie, Eric Fisher, and Jordan Rogers. Maurice Jones-Drew, Jonathan Hankins, Zach Stacy, and Travis Kelce. Alfred Morris, little guy, Joseph Randall. Cowboys going to Brian P. Denard Robinson, and Justin Hunter. J.J. Watt, Jamie Collins, Tyler Eifert, and Rex Burkhead. Joe Flacco, Niall Davis, Kyle Long, and Brian Banks. Navarro Bowman, Patrick Peterson, Theo Riddick, and Robert Woods, rookie die cut. Bill's going to Tad. Arian Foster. DJ Swearinger. Nice end of the half for him. Ezekiel Ansa and Xavier Shorts. LaShawn McCoy, Sam Bradford, Andre Ellington, and Larry Fitz, blue refractor. Cardinals going to Tad. Adrian Peterson, DeAndre Hopkins, mini card. Texans going to Gordon, Stephen Taylor, and Joseph Randall. Anquan Bolden, DeAndre Hopkins, EJ Manuel rookie, and Manti Te'o. Randall Cobb, Aaron Dobson, Marcus Wheaton, and Giovanni Bernard. AJ Green, Eric Decker, Alex Okafor, and Keenan Allen rookie. Reggie Wayne, Rob Gronkowski, Chance Warmack, and Dion Jordan rookie. Santonio Holmes, Kobe Hamilton, D. Milliner, and Alec Ogletree. And there's our autograph. A rookie on-card auto for the Cowboys, Gavin Escobar. Cowboys going to Brian P. This one numbered 103 out of 150. Congratulations, Brian. Mike Wallace, Russell Wilson, and Ryan Naismith. Doug Martin, Clay Matthews, Eddie Lacy, and Kenyon Barner. Matthew Stafford, Quentin Patton, Vance McDonald, and Terrence Williams. And the 2012 Limited in the 1-pack, 7 cards with 3 hits. Titans, Kenny Britt to 399. Jay Cutler to 399. Derek Thomas to 349. Roddy White. Short print, 16 out of 49. Falcons going to Angelo. First hit going to the Cardinals, Jarrell Robinson rookie auto. Cardinals going to Tad. Numbered 280 out of 299. Jumbo duo patch for the Browns, Trent Richardson. That one going to Eric. 69 out of 99. And the last hit going to the Panthers, Joe Adams jumbo patch. We'll give it 2 colors, a little bit of stitching down the right side. Panthers going to Angelo. Short print, 28 out of 49. That'll do it for the Thursday night breaks. We're back at it tomorrow. Got a few spots left, so take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you tomorrow night.